Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Ministry of Coal's Go Greening Drive. UP has reduced cross-subsidy surcharge on power procurement through power exchanges. Power Minister meeting with COP26 President. Coming to the details. The Indian economy faces twin challenges of fulfilling its commitment for decarbonizing the energy sector as well as meeting the country's rising power demand, which would primarily be reliant on coal due to its affordability and indigenous availability. India's coal sector has to play a crucial role in foreseeable future in fulfilling the country's energy demand for meeting various developmental needs and at the same time be responsible towards environment and society. India's coal sector has been taking several innovative initiatives to promote sustainable mining. One of the key initiatives has been Go Greening Drive in and around mining areas, thereby not only ameliorating the local ecosystem but also creating additional carbon sink to mitigate the causes of climate change. Further, coal companies are also aiming to achieve carbon neutrality through various environment-friendly measures, such as extensive plantation and adoption of clean coal technologies. During this year, coal and lignite PSUs of the Coal Ministry has set an ambitious target under the Go Greening Drive to cover 2,385 hectares of area under bioreclamation and plantation. The Go Greening Drive is to be provided the right impetus through the launch of Vriksharopan Abhiyan 2021 on August 19 by Coal and Mines Minister Prahlad Joshi. The Vriksharopan Abhiyan 2021, which is one of the key events of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav celebrations in the coal sector, will surely bring environment sustainability in mining operations. It will also help the coal sector obtain social and environmental license to operate, which will be very crucial in coming days when more mines will be opened up involving new players. The Uttar Pradesh Regulatory Commission, in a tariff order dated July 29, 2021, announced a reduction of up to 64 paisa per unit in the cross-subsidy charges on procuring power through power exchanges. The reduction in cross-subsidy surcharge for open access consumers is a welcome and definitely a progressive step in ensuring industrial and economic growth in the state. The industrial and commercial consumers can save up to 1 rupee per unit. This development enables state industry to significantly lower their operational costs and accelerate the overall economic growth of the state, which is so critical in COVID pandemic induced economic slowdown. Union Minister of Power and Renewable Energy Shri R.K. Singh met Right Honorable Alok Sharma, COP26 President. The highlights of the meeting are: the COP26 President had raised the topic of phasing out of coal-fired power plants, to which Power Minister stated that India has already retired 16,369 megawatt of inefficient thermal units till March 2021. The COP26 President expressed the willingness of the UK side for collaborating with India on green hydrogen and requested India's support for organizing a successful COP26. Sri R.K. Singh expressed India's interest in collaborating with UK on offshore wind. He also stressed on the need of the developed and developing countries to work together for bringing down the cost of storage. Discussions were held on the need of increasing storage capacity in the view of India's ambitious target of having 450 gigawatt of installed renewable capacity by 2030. The UK side was invited to participate in the upcoming bids for green hydrogen and lithium ion. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 271.41 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details: price discovered during night 5 rupees 80 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 46 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 10 rupees 3 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 5 rupees 94 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 5 rupees 99 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.